Hey guys, I hope you are having a great day. It is beautiful over here in North Mississippi, and I am headed in to go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins. Wow, looks like somebody's been shopping a lot already. Look, they have carts of stuff piled up on the side. This time of day, they usually start to empty the walls, so I definitely want to look through these first. This is a cute little planter. It looks like a basket. It's from Costa Farms. I'm not sure what store that's from. It was $3.99 at the Goodwill, but that's not going to be the price over here at the Goodwill Bins. Here's some bowls. These are false scrap bowls. Here's a little planter. I think the plant needs a little help. There's some lamps right here. It's another planter. It looks like it has some glue or something on it. I kind of like these lamps. I like the color of the flowers, and I really like the shape. Look, a little brass unicorn bell. That is so cute. You know what? I'm gonna sell this because this could be super annoying in Ren's room. I'm definitely gonna get it. What's this? First place. Oh, that's cute. It says made in China. I don't know. This one says first place too, and the little boy's right there. It's broken off. Oh, I love this Santa print. That's so cute. Look, the little bunny rabbits right there. A sign 1993. Oh, this is cute. We're getting that. I really like the mat, but we definitely need to reframe it or paint the frame or something. This is an interesting little DIY project. A glass candlestick that they painted pink, and they painted pumpkin pink and put some tulle on it. I don't know. Maybe that was for a fall baby shower. I am not sure. Oh, look how cute, the little raccoon and the little squirrel. Home Co. That's adorable. We're gonna get this. I'll save it for spring and put it in a spring mystery box. And we cannot pass up a bunny rabbit. There's some leaves in the background and the little candle. I mean, not a candle, a little carrot as a handle. That's adorable. It has something on the bottom. It says 1987, I think. That's cute. I don't see any chips on it. It looks like it's in great condition. So we are going to add that to the cart. Some little skates. Those would probably fit Ren, but there's no way I'm buying her skates. She would definitely break a limb. Ooh, these are so pretty. It says Alfred something, made in England, Birds of America. Look at all the crazing on it, and the bird image is in excellent condition. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. But hold on, I think there's another one. There it is. Oh, it's like a little flower pattern on the outside. Oh, these are adorable. Look at this beautiful vintage little Christmas tree skirt that I found. Oh no, it's not handmade. Or it might be, I don't know. Here's the tag. Y'all, this is so cute. This would be really cute with a pink Christmas tree. I know, totally not my style, but I feel like this tree skirt needs a pink Christmas tree. Also found a cute little jacket. I think it's from Walmart. It's a large, it's a men's, but I'm gonna wear it like a little bit oversized. How cute is this? I love this plaid. These little pink pillows are super cute. I do not need any more pillows, so I'm gonna leave them here. I'm sure somebody will scoop them up. But I do need this. I've actually been looking for a shelf just like this for Ren's room. I'm gonna paint it white and put it by her little kitchen and put a hook right here to hang her little aprons and stuff that, you know, she can wear when she pretend cooks. So that's exciting. Oh, what is this? What is this over here? Oh, it's another big shelf. It has a bunch of heart cutouts. Here is a little vintage stocking. It's pretty small. You wouldn't be able to fit a lot in a stocking, or you could just use it as decor. So this is the front. The front is wool and the back is cotton velveteen. It is in excellent condition. Look what has made its way to the Goodwill Bins. Y'all remember this little chair? It's here, and now it is $3. I still don't need it, but if I needed a chair, I would be getting this one instead. Oh my gosh. It is hurting my heart to leave these here. And then they have two of these. They have this one right here, and then they have the matching one over there. Exciting news! I just finished digging through entire Goodwill Bins, and they started emptying the wall. Very loud. So we're gonna wait for them to empty it. They're gonna refill it, and then we're gonna dig some more. News, they're starting to refill the wall, this side and this side. That's why I can't film when they put out new stuff. Look at the madness. But I did find a few things. I don't know what this is, but there's a little rabbit and a little bird, and it's wood and carved and cute, so I got that. I think this is a shaker. No, this is just a little spindle, and it has this around it. I don't know, cute. And also I have no clue. Oh, you know what? I think this is like little bowling things, and there's the ball right there. Well, that's adorable. And then look at this colander, how big, and the little feet are rusted over. I don't think I've ever found a colander this big. That is a good find. And this is just a little painting holder. So I thought if I found a cute canvas, this would just make a great little holder for it. All right, I dug through that side. Now I gotta go dig through this side. All right, found a few more things digging through the other bins. Look how interesting this is. It says made in Hong Kong. I'm pretty sure it's like a watering can, right? I love the color of it. It's perfect for fall. Okay, I have no clue what this is. It looks like you would blow into it, and then it has holes in this side. So if you know what this piece is, let me know. Look how cute this little cup is. Look at the handle. I love that. And then this is going to go in my DIY stash, because you know we can use this for all sorts of things. And I love the patina and the design on this little silver candlestick. And look what my friend Lee from the Turquoise Valentine just found for me. How cute is this little piece? I think it's for tea, right? Where you would like scoop the little tea bag out and then it would drain. Do you know?
I don't know.
All right, if you know what this is, y'all leave a comment. Yeah, we don't know what it is, but it looks cute, like half the other stuff in my cart. I don't know what it is, but it's cute, so we're getting it. They just rolled out some of the big blue bins, and I found a few things. Look, somebody made this box. It's old and wood and crusty, and I actually love this little piece right here on it. I'm gonna do absolutely nothing to it. I think it's perfect as is, and I'll probably clean up the inside a little bit, but love this piece. And then I got this shutter. So actually right before I came to the bins, I went live on Facebook and did a shutter project. Somebody did a shutter project of their own, but you know, we're not loving it. So I'm actually going to take this shutter apart, and we're going to use these pieces. And if you did not see my live and have no clue what I'm talking about, I will leave a link to that if y'all want to watch it. All right guys, I have got to get out of here because I have done lost my mind. I just got a large Peppa Pig little yard blow up thingy, whatever they're called. Ren's gonna love it, but I've never had one of these in my yard, so we are going to try it out. There is a plug-in over there, so I did test it to make sure it worked. Also got a cart full, so I feel like I am good and we can go ahead and head out for today. So this was absolutely such a fun shopping trip. I came with Lee, the Turquoise Valentine. I'll put a link to her Facebook page. I'll definitely go and watch her. And I met a few of y'all over here that watched me, and I got to chat with y'all. It was great. So I will put a total on the screen of everything that I spent for this entire cart of stuff. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one. What is it?
It's a Peppa Pig. I love her. Wait, I need to do this.